Hi there. Thanks for coming to see the teacher. I hope the day one of the Western Expansion Unit went well for you. I'm going to start by, in this video, reviewing just the pre-assessments. I'm going to read each statement and let you know if it's true or false. Remember, it was also okay to put I don't know as an answer if you just weren't sure. The Underground Railroad did not take decades to build, and it didn't take people from New York City to Chicago. It was a network of safe places for enslaved people to go to and if they were escaping slavery. The Louisiana Purchase happened during the presidency of Thomas Jefferson and doubled the size of the United States. That's true. The era of Western expansion began in 1803 and ended in 1850. That's also true. The number one cause of death on the Oregon Trail was not accidental gunshot wounds, which it was a major cause of death, but the number one cause was disease. In the 1850s, people rushed to California because they thought they could find gold there. That's a true statement. The Erie Canal created an all-water route from the Atlantic Ocean to the Great Lakes. Yes, it did. The United States fought a war with Mexico in order to gain control of California. Despite that not being the number one cause of the war with Mexico, that was one of the results of it, so it could be said that that statement is true. Slavery was illegal in Mexico before it was illegal in the United States. That's true. The USA forced Native Americans to leave their homelands and move to reservations. Sad but true. The cotton gin was an invention that decreased the productivity of farmers. I put disagree for that. The cotton gin, as we'll learn in this unit, or maybe you read at the end of today's lesson, increased the need for slave labor in the South. So one could say that because there was more reliance on slave labor, that the productivity of farmers did increase, so the word decrease would not be true. So I put disagree for that one. Eli Whitney helped improve transportation by inventing the steam locomotive. Disagree with that one. Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin. Robert Fulton helped invent the steam locomotive. Robert Fulton invented a machine that could remove the seeds from cotton. Nope, that was Eli Whitney. So disagree with that statement. During Western expansion, the need for slave labor in the southern United States increased. Yes, it did. Mainly because of the invention of the cotton gin, farmers moved west to grow more cotton and needed slave labor to do that. The United States fought a war with Russia to get control of Oregon. Disagree with that. We'll learn about that in tomorrow's lesson. Manifest Destiny was the title of a newspaper that was published in Florida. Disagree with that one. Manifest Destiny is a term that was used in a newspaper article to express what the United States was doing during the era of Western expansion in attempting to move west. The Lewis and Clark expedition traveled to the southwest United States to look for gold. No, Lewis and Clark went northwest, not southwest. And they weren't looking for gold yet. Americans stopped building canals because they realized that building railroads was easier and cheaper. Even though building a railroad was not easy work, it was easier than building a canal. So agree with that statement. That's part one, agree or disagree. Part two of the pre-assessment was getting to know the map. This shows the correct way to color code. Your title for your map should be something similar to mine. I wrote territories acquired during Western expansion. It could also be Western expansion map, United States 1803 to 1850, something like that would be a suitable title. And the red area, this is the Louisiana Purchase. The green area is the Florida Territory. Yellow is Texas. Orange, it would be California and the Southwest, or California Territory. And blue is what used to be known as the Oregon Territory.